Measuring MCP abduction. Patient's hand will be on a flat surface. To measure MCP abduction, what you want to have is your goniometer axis will be directly over the desired MCP joint. So in this case, we're going to measure the third MCP abduction. So right there on the third MCP, the stationary arm over the desired metacarpal, which is in this case the third metacarpal, and the movement arm over the proximal phalanx. Now you want to make sure that you measure it up with the proximal phalanx instead of the fingernail or the distal phalanx, as the distal phalanx and the proximal phalanx will most likely give you very different measurements. So in this, always measure it with the proximal phalanx. Now Rachel, what I want you to do is I want you to spread your fingers outward like this. Now once you did that, you noticed that the middle finger did not move, but these fingers did. So the third digit, we are going to measure both radially and ulnarly. So I'm going to put my axis on the third MCP, stationary arm on the third metacarpal, and on the proximal phalanx for the movement arm. So Rachel, what I want you to do is I want you to move just your middle finger to the ulnar side. So we're looking here at, it's looking about 15-16 degrees of abduction. Now I want you to bring it to the radial side. Measuring it here to, let's go with 12 to 13 degrees of radial abduction. Now that is only done with the middle finger. These other fingers, such as the second, the fourth, and the fifth, you will measure only one direction. So you will do it in about this manner, about right here, and about right here. And you'll measure how far they move into abduction.